It's a nice day. Woo, almost hit that tree. We're gonna go to the mall, and I don't know how I do trick tutorials because I can't do shit while doing talking. But here we go, players. We're gonna head to that mall real quick. Hopefully there's no security, no cops. We'll do some packs, get some packs in. I can see if I still know how to fly or not. All right, it's been a minute. Oh shit. It's been a real minute since I've flown some freestyle. Some necessary FPV equipment, a helmet and a vest so that you can pretend like you belong. Got the props to match. I hate these props, but I'm trying to learn to love them because I've got some advice that they are worth giving a chance. So they're a little underpowered, but they're similar to the S4s. All that shit, who cares? Let's just fly. Got kicked out of that last spot, but while the cop's on that side, I parked across the street and I'm gonna fly by his car. So we shredded that cop car. That was a new one. Let's go to this hospital they tore down. They possibly do some cool shit over there. Stay tuned. You got to see it to know what I'm talking about. I think it's gonna be cool. Hopefully I don't blow up because I want to review these new tow motors. That's what I was trying to say earlier. I'm gonna see y'all when we get there. I'm upside down, I think. Hold up.